Whether you're turning wrenches, answering parts calls, leading a class, or solving problems in the field, one tool is changing the game for everyone. Introducing dynamic 3D models for SIS, your all-access pass to the right part, the first time, every time. Technicians, no more searching through flat diagrams. Zoom, rotate, and isolate components in real time, right at the machine. Parts advisors, show customers exactly what they need, no guesswork, no returns, just results. Trainers, bring your lessons to life with interactive visuals that make complex systems click and stick. With high-speed streaming from the cloud, full serviceable bumps, high-definition graphics, and expanded model coverage, 3D models are more complete and powerful than ever. And when you're ready, you can place your order seamlessly from SIS. No matter what you do, or where you do it, dynamic 3D models help you find the right part with confidence. Service technology. Diagnose smarter.